Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda, and today guys I'm going to be unboxing a luxury dupe handbag that has kindly been gifted to me by COEEBAGS. Now I have worked with COEEBAGS several times now, maybe three or four times, and they've sent me over some amazing dupe items, like really luxury and really good quality dupes. I've been after this particular item for such a long while now, and I was just so happy to find it on the COEEBAGS website at a fraction of the price that I would actually pay for the original. Now I don't actually mind having a good dupe bag, you know, or dupe item, you know. If I could afford it, of course I would go for the original, but you know, at the minute things are a bit tough, you know, cost of living and everything, so this is the next best thing. COEEBAGS fits well if you're on a budget, if you're after a really good quality dupe. Their bags and their products are absolutely amazing, I can vouch for that. So they've kindly sent me over today a YSL bag, and like I said to you guys, I've been after this bag for a little while now. I've been saving for this bag. This bag, it cost a couple of thousands for the original, and then on the COEEBAGS website you can get it for a fraction of the price, so that kind of suits my budget a little bit more, and I'm so grateful to COEEBAGS for kindly gifting me and sponsoring today's video. So I'm going to get straight into the video, okay, and unbox this item. So you probably guessed it from the thumbnail. The item that I'm going to be reviewing is a YSL bag, and this bag is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I can't wait to show you it. So it comes all packaged up like this, well packaged for transit. And inside this box is another box that holds the bag, of course. Okay, so I've got to tell you, it is well packaged. So I'm just taking this one out, and then inside that box is this gorgeous black box that says YSL Paris on it. Absolutely gorgeous packaging, really like luxury quality box. And then inside the box you will find the gorgeous bag. Now guys, I'm so excited to share this with you because this bag is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning, guys. So it comes packaged like this as well. It comes in this plastic bag. Just going to take it out. Oh my goodness, guys. This is it. So lovely. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to continue unwrapping this and show you the bag. So the handles are all wrapped up. It's got silver chain handles. Just going to take off all this packaging around it. That's just to keep it safe in transit, stop it from getting scratched. I've got to be honest, this is like a pet hate for me, this packaging, especially on like small items like chains. But I've kind of like got a hack for it now. What I do, I just pull it down like that and it all just comes apart. So it is quite easy to take off. It's just that I don't really like to touch it, to be fair with you. That's not a good start, is it? But I'm being honest. I'm giving you an honest review of unboxing this luxury dupe handbag. Okay, so as you can see, I'm fighting with it a little bit. This is what I would normally do. Just get a hold of the chain and this packaging and just rip it off like that. That's the best way to do this, guys. Okay, so I've taken off all that packaging, and guys, how stunning is this bag? I've ordered it. Well, they gave me the option to choose if I wanted it in silver or I wanted it in gold, meaning the hardware. So I've got another YSL bag that I did a review on, I think last month or the month before, and that was in the gold chain, the YSL bag. So this time I went for the silver chain because I do wear a mix of like jewellery. I like to wear silver, I like to wear gold, and I find that if you wear silver, you know, you need to really have a bag that's got silver hardware on it, and vice versa for gold. So I've opted for this beautiful silver chain bag with the silver hardware on the logo there, YSL. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. I absolutely love this bag. Now this comes in on the website, it comes in as a white bag, but it is slightly off colour, and I do actually like that it's off colour. It is really like a light grey colour, which I just absolutely love. It's absolutely stunning, guys. On the strapped handle, you've also got this leather part on it, which I do like, because if you're going to have the bag on your shoulder, you don't have to worry about the chain digging into your shoulder, you know. And also, if you're going to use it as a kind of like a handbag, there's not so much of the chain like in your hand. You've got that comfort of that leather cushioned area there. This bag is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to take off the plastic, what they've put on the logo there. Again, that's just to prevent the logo from getting scratched. And as I've taken it off, it's got that beautiful soft touch logo in that really lovely silver hardware. Really stunning. Now inside the bag, okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, we've got some more packaging inside the bag. Just going to take those out here. I actually like to keep these. I know these are going to come in handy for some kind of DIY later on in the year. You know, this sponge sort of polystyrene. Also inside the bag, you've got a extra accessory, which I think is like a leather tag that you can attach to the chain area of the bag. So it also comes with this leather tag that's also got YSL Paris written on it. Then it's got that kind of keychain loop thing that you can just loop it onto the bag. I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. I don't know if I can actually do it. Now I'm not sure if this is supposed to go onto the chain or onto this larger bit here, because I can't actually get it on. That's a bit of a shame, really. I'm going to try and do it, but I think I've got to do it off camera, because this part is a little bit, I might have to get a scissors. So that took me a little while to figure out how to attach this leather strap to the bag, because this little bit here, the silver part of the bag is quite thick for me to loop this chain thing on. So I've just realised that all I have to do is really just loop this through. I'm going to try and do it so I can show you. Just loop that through and have it like that. Okay, so that comes with it anyway. I think I've done that right. Remember, guys, I'm giving you an honest review and an honest unboxing. So if that's not right, I will change it over afterwards. But I do actually like that detail on the bag. Okay, you don't have to have that on. You can take it off. You know, it's totally up to you. Okay, so inside the bag, it's got a couple of compartments, which I do actually like to have a good amount of compartments. So you've got four compartments here. So you've got that little one at the back there that can hold, you know, like your keys. You've got that one there to hold your little makeup, your phone, you know, your camera. And you've got that little one there to hold, you know, a lipstick or something like that. And then on the back of the bag, there's another opening here, which I think is really to put your phone in. I'm going to try and fit my phone in there and see if it fits nicely. So yeah, my phone fits in there perfectly without the bag being too like distorted. Then on the side of the bag, I do absolutely love the side of the bag because it shows all that lovely pleating detail. You know, I do like to see that on a good quality bag. And I've got to say, the silver chain is of really good quality as well. You know, it's like really lovely. The whole bag is just absolutely gorgeous. You know, the COEEBAGS have also given me a discount code for you guys to use. I'm going to put the discount code in the description box and also up on the screen for you guys to have pop onto the website and have a look at what you can actually find on there. Because on the website, like I said before, they've got so many different bags. I mean, just in the YSL range, there's over 200 bags, you know, so many to choose from, you know. But I kind of knew what I wanted, and I, you know, when I was speaking to them, I kind of like knew exactly what I wanted. This bag is called the YSL Sunset bag, and this is in the medium size. Now, on the original YSL website, this bag goes for, I think, £2,200, something like that. Versus on the COEEBAG website, this bag is £319. Okay, so with that £319, if you're going for this kind of bag, you'll get the discount using my discount code. And I'd like to say thank you to COEEBAGS for kindly sponsoring this video. I absolutely love my new YSL Sunset bag. It's absolutely gorgeous. The colour is absolutely stunning, guys. It's not like that bright white bag. It's a lovely whitish grey colour, which I do absolutely love, you know. So yeah, the bag is absolutely stunning, very good quality as well. And what I've got to say, the bag is not like a stiff bag, so you're able to sort of open it easily, put your bits and bobs in, close it up nicely, and you're good to go. Now, to close the bag, there's actually a magnetic like closure You know, those are magnetic closure that you get on handbags, and I've got to say it closes quite smoothly. Got a nice smooth clip. You just hear it. Lovely. Love that. And with the chain on the bag, or the handle of the bag, you can actually wear the bag like that, so it's long onto your shoulder, or you can have it like this on your shoulder, or you can have it as a crossover bag as well, because the chain is quite long as well. That's the gorgeous bag that COEEBAGS has kindly gifted to me, guys. I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? You know, what do you actually think about this bag? Now, like I said, it is a dupe. You don't have to have the tag on it. I don't know if I'm going to wear it with the tag. I think I'm going to take this off. I actually prefer it without the tag, but I've just put it on for the sake of the video to give you an idea and just for you guys to see. The bag also comes with this drawstring gift bag that you can store the bag away in. Now, I do like these because the box is quite bulky. I just like to store my bags in the dust bag and just have them in my wardrobe. You know, the box always comes in handy to store some bits and bobs in, and it also came with this gift bag as well. Okay, so that's really it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and hit the notification bells. Subscribe if you are new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Little Oakley's come to join me for the end of the video. You okay, Oaks? You okay?
That's 1,000,000.
He wants me to get the silver plaque, don't you, Oakley?
And get the diamond plaque.
The diamond plaque, because he watches all those Lanky Box and all those other things on YouTube, and they've got some plaques. They've got all their plaques behind them, and he's like, Mummy, when are you going to get your plaque? You know, a little while down the line. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to COEEBAGS for kindly sponsoring today's video and kindly gifting me this beautiful YSL bag. I absolutely love it. And thank you to you guys for watching. So take care, keep well, guys, and I'll see you very soon on the next video. Bye.